Welcome back to Saas Beast Pro, the ultimate channel for boosting your productivity with smart tech tips. In today's video, we're diving into 7 Google Docs tricks on PC that save hours, helping you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever. Now let's get started. Number 1. Activate voice typing to dictate. This trick helps you write documents hands-free, saving time and effort, while boosting accuracy for long notes, essays, or reports. It's perfect for multitasking and keeping your workflow smooth. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your document in Google Docs. Step 2. Click on the Tools menu in the top bar. Step 3. Select voice typing from the drop-down or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+S to enable it instantly. Step 4. A microphone icon will appear on the left side of your document. If this is your first time using it, grant Google Docs permission to access your microphone. Step 5. Click the microphone icon to start listening, then begin speaking clearly at a normal pace. Google Docs will automatically transcribe your words in real time. Step 6. When you're done, click the microphone icon again or simply say "Stop listening" to turn off voice typing. Number 2. Utilize Compare Documents feature. This feature is perfect for spotting differences between 2 versions of a document, without manually scanning every line. It's a huge time saver for editors, collaborators, or anyone tracking revisions in Google Docs. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the first document you want to compare. This will serve as your original file for the comparison. Step 2. Go to the top menu and click on Tools, then select Compare Documents. This opens the built-in comparison tool in Google Docs. Step 3. In the pop-up window, click My Drive to browse and select the second document you want to compare it with. Step 4. Under Attribute Differences 2, enter a name so that all detected changes are labeled under that identity. Step 5. If needed, check the box to include comments from the second document for a more complete comparison. Step 6. Click Compare to run the analysis. Google Docs will process the comparison automatically. Step 7. A new document will open showing all the differences highlighted as suggested edits, and it will be saved in your drive as comparison of original version and revised version. 3. Control how others share your file. This feature is crucial because it lets you decide exactly who can view, comment, or edit your document, keeping your work secure and under your control. It ensures your files don't get shared beyond your intended circle. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click the Share button at the top right corner of your Google Docs window. This opens the sharing settings where all file permissions are managed. Step 2. In the Share dialog box, click the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner. This reveals extra options to fine-tune how others interact with your file. Step 3. Under Owner Settings, uncheck. Editors can change permissions and share. This keeps you in full control so only you decide who can access or share the document. Step 4. Go back to the main sharing window and look under General Access. Click the drop-down to choose between Restricted and Anyone with the link, depending on how private you want your document to be. Step 5. Finally, use the second drop-down to set roles like viewer, commenter, or editor for each person. This ensures everyone has just the right level of access, nothing more. Number 4. Insert a non-breaking space to fix formatting. This trick helps keep words or numbers together on the same line, maintaining clean, professional formatting in your documents. It's perfect for preventing awkward text breaks that disrupt readability. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Place your cursor exactly where you want to add the non-breaking space. This ensures the spacing appears in the right spot. Step 2. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. Click on Symbols, then select Special Characters. This opens a panel where you can find different symbols and formatting marks. Step 3. In the search bar of the Special Characters window, type no break space. Google Docs will display the correct symbol. Step 4. Click on No Break Space to insert it at your cursor's position. You'll notice the words now stay together without splitting between lines. Step 5. Close the Special Characters window once you're done. Your document will now keep that section neatly formatted. Number 5. Add custom words to your personal dictionary. This feature ensures Google Docs recognizes your unique words, names, or industry terms, preventing them from being flagged as mistakes and saving time during editing and proofreading. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open your Google Doc and click on the Tools menu at the top of your screen. This is where you'll access all the built-in writing utilities. Step 2. From the drop-down, select Spelling and Grammar. This option controls how Google Docs checks your text for errors. Step 3. Choose Personal Dictionary from the submenu. This opens the space where you can add your own words. Step 4. In the pop-up window, type the new word you want Google Docs to remember. You can include brand names, technical terms, or any word you use often. Step 5. Click Add, then hit OK to save your changes. Now your custom words will never be marked as errors again. Number 6. Apply copy formatting with one click. This feature saves time by letting you instantly duplicate text styles without manually adjusting fonts, colors, or spacing. It keeps your document consistent and speeds up editing across large projects. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Highlight the text that already has the formatting you want to copy. This ensures Google Docs knows exactly which style to replicate. Step 2. Click on the Paint Format icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small paint roller. This activates the Copy Formatting tool. Step 3. Now highlight the text where you want to apply that same style. As soon as you release the mouse, the formatting will instantly match. Step 4. To apply the copied format to multiple sections, double-click the Paint Format icon before selecting your target text. This keeps the tool active until you turn it off. Number 7. Find and replace words. This trick helps you instantly replace repeated words or phrases across your document without manually searching for each one. It saves time, improves consistency, and keeps your writing clean and professional. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click on the Edit tab at the top of your Google Docs window. From the drop-down menu, select Find and Replace. Step 2. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+H on your keyboard to open the Find and Replace window instantly. Step 3. In the Find field, type the word or phrase you want to search for in your document. Step 4. In the Replace With field, enter the new word or phrase you want to use instead. Step 5. If you want to match uppercase or lowercase exactly, check the Match Case box to refine your results. Step 6. Click Next to move through each instance one by one, choosing Replace for specific ones or Replace All to change them all at once. Step 7. Once finished, close the window and all the selected words will be updated throughout your document quick and effortless. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more smart Google Docs tips.